Want to launch your website without spending too much on hosting? Right now, Hostinger is offering an amazing limited-time deal where you can save up to 80% on their top hosting plans. And that's not all. You'll also get an extra 20% discount along with 3 months of free hosting. Whether you're planning to start a blog, business website, portfolio, or an online store, this offer is a great way to get started at a very low cost. Millions of users around the world trust Hostinger for its fast performance, beginner-friendly setup, and reliable hosting services. With this deal, you can enjoy powerful hosting without breaking the bank. The best part? They also provide a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the service, you can request a full refund within 30 days, completely risk-free. To claim the offer, simply click the first link in the description, choose your preferred hosting plan, and the discount will be automatically applied during checkout. In just a few minutes, your website can be live online. But remember, these discounts are available for a limited time only, so don't miss the opportunity. Start your website today with up to 80% off, an extra 20% discount, 3 months free hosting, and full protection with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.